Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. You are welcome in my another video and see the paddy field a channel by the boundary. I'm standing on the boundary right now and I would like to show you an eye-catching fantastic view, and you can see the forest beside the boundary. Guys, here it is an interesting thing. I will take you to all to a house, and this is a narrow way beside the river. Actually, this place is totally lonely, isolated, and here is a house. You can see the shed is totally damaged. This is muddy house. Nobody is there. The door is closed totally, and enjoy the surroundings of this demolized house. The coconut trees and different kinds of trees are around the pond. The water is smooth and it is flowing with the wind, and here it's a park.